Alright, we're going to have a look at JDAMs now. Air-to-ground master mode. JDAM on, FLIR on. Over here we have two different delivery modes, target of opportunity mode, or TOO, and pre-plan mode. We'll look at pre-plan first, so I've clicked pre-plan there, click JDAM display. Now you have 5 pre-planned missions that you can populate here. I'm going to box pre-plan 1, and we need coordinates to input into the UFC. So you could get those from the mission brief, somebody on the ground that's calling for air support, or we can get them ourselves with onboard sensors, which I'm going to do. I'll scroll iTarget system. Now use this. We're going to hit Molos airfield up here. We'll hit this hangar. So I'm going to hit grid, click the hangar, and right here gives us a 10-digit grid to write down. So, got that, and we're going to do an additional attack. We'll also hit this building here. So I'm going to hit grid, click this building, and write down that grid. It is 2587. Tag 2127. Alright, we have our grids. Let's get them inputted now. I'm going to hit UFC, then we're going to hit grid, and input our first grid. That is 2675, 2675, TAC 2464, 2464, and enter. Okay, gives us our first one populated there, latitude, longitude, elevation, grid. Okay, pre-plan 2, do the same thing with the new grid. Hit grid, 2587, 2587, tag 2127, 2127, enter, and our second mission populated. So let's click pre-plan 1 again, and we're going to turn in towards the target area now. Looks like we're about 4.7 miles away. This attack is very similar to the laser. It's just the regular auto attack. We're going to hold the P-bill line in the center of the pitch ladder as much as we can, and wait for release. So we'll put us in a little bit of a dive just to speed it up, and then we'll hold the P-bill line in the center of the pitch ladder. About 15 seconds from release here. 10. Should see the bar falling soon. 5 seconds. There comes the bar coming down. I'm now holding the pickle button. And 1 away. Now we can quickly come down here, hit JDAM display, hit pre-plan 2, and there's the impact on the hangar. As you can see, it's burning. We can now turn towards the second mission that we planned. Right there. Quickly get set up. Same thing. Ride the P-bill line in the center. Let's get a little bit leveled out here. I think we're 10 seconds from release. 5. Bars coming down. Holding the pickle button now. And 1 away. Turn away from the threat on our north.
Roll left, roll left.
And there's the impact. So that is pre-planned. Next we'll move on to target of opportunity. Alright, target of opportunity mode, significantly more simple. We're in TOO mode. The simplest way is to make a target attacks one at a time. Open our targeting pod. I'm going to just choose a random target. We'll say this hilltop. Put an area track on it there. Close the targeting pod, and that is now set up as a target. We can just fly the P-bill line right there and make our attack. If we want to change that target, open up the targeting pod again. Let's move it to a new area. Close the targeting pod, and you'll see it's now over there. Okay. Now we can also set up multiple ripple attacks. So let's turn this away. And I'm going to go down here to our JDAM display, and we're going to box target of opportunity 1. Now open our targeting pod, and we're going to choose a new target out here in front of us somewhere. We'll say way out there. We're just going to say that structure. Whoop. Yeah, you have to unbox and then re-establish an area track. There. Now close. Okay, that target is set. Go into our left DDI, click T002, back into the targeting pod, untarget that, choose a new target. We'll go just this rock pile over here, and set. Close that, and now you can see T002 is an option. Go back to T001. Now we can fly to that target and make our attack. And then you could click down here on T002. As you can see, it changes the target over there, and we can make that attack. If you were to set these up in a line, in a linear fashion, you could drop this bomb, quickly switch to T002, get back on target and drop that bomb, etc. And you can have up to 5, or I believe actually 6 T00 targets. So you can ripple them off in that way. I dropped the one bomb on the first target there, you'll see the impact, and then we could spin around and attack again. There's the impact. Could spin around and attack again, or like I said, set them up linearly and make multiple attacks.